So we will start taking the readings. This is the observation column. This is the mass. This column is not there. This is the length between the two bridges. We will start taking the reading. First initial reading is for 1000 grams. As we have added 1000 grams here, 1 and 2. Two weights are added, each of 500 grams. So this is 1000 gram. Now we will take the reading. Now to take the reading, what we first do is, as before, we will keep the first bridge on 50 centimeter and the second bridge on 60 centimeter. So the difference between the two bridges is 10 centimeter. And then, like last time, we will hit the tuning fork on the pad like this and hold it on the bridge. We will hit and hold it on the bridge. Nothing has happened to the paper rider. The paper rider should fall down. So we move it by 2 millimeter. Again we hit it. The paper rider is vibrating violently. Now I will move it another 2 millimeter. See, the paper rider has fallen. So the distance here is 61 centimeter and here it is 50. So the difference between the two bridges is 11 centimeter. So the first reading will be for 1000 gram. Here you don't have to write anything. The length is 11 centimeter. You can write both 11 and the mean also as 11. Now what I will do is, I will add one more weight, that is another 500 grams. So the total weight is 500 plus 500 plus 500, that is 1500 grams. So I have written here 1500 grams. We will take the reading for the next reading for 1500 grams. So now what I will do, I will keep the paper rider back and move it 2 millimeter and let's see if the paper